Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in today's video I will show you on how to simply delete cookies and site data in Chrome browser on your mobile. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to head over to your Chrome. So I'm going to click on my Chrome browser right here. After you open up your Chrome browser, next thing you need to do is to click on these three dots. Then the next thing you need to do is to click on delete browsing data. Then it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on cookies, cache, and other site data. Then it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to click on more options. Then it's going to take you right here. At this point here, you have three options by default, which is check. Now, right here, if you want to decide to delete browse history, you can make sure you check this. If you don't want to delete your browse history, you can simply leave it on check. Then the next one here is cookies and site data. Now, from 68 sites, sign you out of most sites. So make sure this is check. And the next one here is cache and images and file. Make sure it's also check. Then lastly, come down below right here and make sure you click on delete data. Deleting your browsing data does not sign you out of your Google account. So to do so, sign out of Chrome. Then make sure these two are checked. Lastly, come down below here and click on delete data. And all your data, your cookies and site data from this particular 68 plus website will be fully deleted, and you'll be signed out of the site without any stress on your Chrome browser. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to simply clear cookies and site data cache file on your Chrome browser. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.